right, breaking news coming in, viewers. A large police contingent accompanied by the Central Forces has reached the office of Diamond Harbour MP Abhishek Banerjee. According to police sources, a 5-story building allegedly does not have approved building plan. Notices had been issued regarding the alleged unauthorized construction, but sources and the government rather highlights administration highlighting that no one had appeared for the scheduled hearing. Following this, the authorities reached the spot with a heavy deployment of police, Central Forces and Fire Services. The Block Development Officer, or the BDO, and also the Block Land and Land Reforms Officer, the BLRO, are also present at the site. So that is a big action which is happening. Large police contingent there, bulldozer action which is underway at the moment. So that's the latest coming in at this point of time. Trouble for the Diamond Harbour TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee. Sabyasachi, double trouble for Abhishek Banerjee, faced with massive internal rebellion within the DD camp or whatever is left of the TMC. There is, Diamond Harbour MP Abhishek Banerjee's office, the properties which are also in the crosshair of the agencies. Large police contingent there, bulldozers also on the ground. Take us through the latest.
Well, that's right. See, trouble is not ending for Diamond Harbour Member of Parliament, Mr. Abhishek Banerjee. Now, he had an office in Amtola in Diamond Harbour. Now, bulldozer action could be seen and the demolition drive has begun. Now, what the police sources tell us is that several notices, in fact, have been sent regarding this 5-story building. As per the sources, the authority believed that the building was unauthorized. There was no proper documents, or the permission was not taken for this building, and that is the reason why regarding this building several notices were sent to Mr. Abhishek Banerjee's office, but they did not receive any response from his office, and that is the reason why the bulldozer action was taking place today, and the authorities are present on the ground, under whose supervision the bulldozer action, the demolition drive, has begun.
Absolutely, Sabyasachi. It's a big update which you are bringing us. Thank you for joining us with those updates.